In this video, I'll guide you through how to calculate ROI in HubSpot reports. Understanding your return on investment, or ROI, is crucial for assessing the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, especially when running ad campaigns through HubSpot. So let's dive right in and make sure you're getting the most out of your marketing data. First, you'll want to navigate to the right place within HubSpot. Start by heading over to the marketing section. From there, click on Ads. This is where all your advertising data is consolidated, and it's the perfect starting point for evaluating your ad performance. Once you're in the Ads section, you need to access the settings. Look for the settings icon, which appears as a gear in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to open up a variety of configuration options for your ad campaigns. Now, to specifically focus on ROI, make your way to the ROI tab. This tab is dedicated to helping you understand and calculate the return on investment from your advertising efforts. Here, you'll have the opportunity to choose the method that best suits your business needs. You have two primary options for calculating ROI. The first option is revenue from your deals, which is highly recommended if you're already using HubSpot's Sales Hub. This method automatically pulls data from your closed-won deals that are associated with ad clicks. It's a straightforward way to link your ad spend directly to the revenue generated, providing a clear picture of how your ads are contributing to your bottom line. The second option is estimate revenue. This method is particularly useful if you're not using the Sales Hub or if you prefer a more hands-on approach. With this method, you manually enter an average sale price and a conversion rate. It gives you the flexibility to tailor the ROI calculation to the specifics of your business model and sales process. While not as automatic as the first option, it's a great alternative for businesses that operate with different sales tracking systems. Once you've decided on the calculation method that fits your needs, don't forget to hit Save. This step is crucial to ensure that your settings are applied and your ROI calculations will reflect the method you've chosen. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively calculate the ROI of your ad campaigns in HubSpot, giving you valuable insights into the performance and profitability of your marketing activities. Remember, understanding your ROI is essential for making informed decisions about where to allocate your marketing budget and how to optimize your campaigns for better results. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you leverage HubSpot's powerful reporting tools to enhance your marketing strategy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your marketing efforts. Happy calculating!